yan.
No, it's okay, Tita. You do your thing.
Okay.
Act natural. What do you call this meal?
Adobo alimango.
Where did you get this?
Fresh market.
Remember we went crabbing?
You went to the store just now?
Yeah.
What kind of crab is this?
Mud.
Mud crab?
Yeah.
This is from the ocean?
Yes.
Yeah.
And these are females.
Yeah, female. All
Wow.
female.
Those are really bright orange. Roe?
Yeah, raw.
Oh, that's crab roe?
Yeah, that's crab raw.
So you were sauteing garlic,
Garlic,
onions, and ginger
ginger.
in oil.
Yeah.
And then
Patis.
fish sauce.
Yeah. Oh, yes. Fish sauce.
Oi! Mr. Cat, it's coming back in. This is pretty heavy. Put it in here. Hello there, everybody. Brandon here with a quick Brandon here with a quick hook for you guys. Check this out. We got some mud crabs. Check out all that roe. So this is female mud crabs from the Philippines. And we have tiger prawns from the Philippine Ocean. Check out the sizes. Holy cripe-o-moly. So we're gonna be cooking these up. Check out the mud crabs. So it's totally legal here for the females. And look at the roe on that guy. Bright oranges. I'm a guest right now at the Philippines and they decided to cook for me. Let's see if we can get a taste of this stuff. It looks delicious. This is what you call a dirty kitchen?
Yeah.
You don't like to cook this inside?
Oh, kasi the smell.
It's very common in the Philippines to have a dirty kitchen because the smell, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, because the smell engulfs the house. Mama Lisa, right here, she's gonna be prepping us some food. And also Daddy June is somewhere over there. So this guy surprised me. I guess they ordered some crab. And since I took them to Canada with some Dungeness, and these guys are gonna treat me with the Philippine mud crab. So a couple tablespoons of fish sauce. So this is adobo?
Adobo alimango.
Oh, adobong alimango. So that's crab adobo.
The alimango.
Right here, I got it. How many crabs is this?
5 only.
5. So specifically you chose the females, right?
Yeah.
How come you don't like the males?
Kasi
Yes.
the males has no.
No roe.
Oh yeah. No
eggs.
Oh.
Okay.
Only the meat.
Well, this is gonna be a treat, guys, because I haven't eaten a female crab since I was a child in the Philippines. So this is gonna be nice to try. Oh wow! Right away they turn orange.
Get the rice wine.
Oh, rice wine. Oh, rice wine. Okay. Well, I noticed there's vegetables over there too.
Leeks.
Leeks.
Yeah.
They're like big green onions.
Yeah.
And then there's some powder over there. Pepper. Okay.
Then the sugar.
Sugar.
Then the oyster sauce.
Oyster sauce.
Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah, that's
This
it.
is totally different. When I was cooking my crab adobo at home, we have to use crab paste additional because we're not allowed to retain female crabs. So in here they already have the female crabs and with full of eggs, so you don't need to add any crab paste. Wow. Tito June, thank you.
You're welcome and no problem. Basta ikaw, arreglado.
Oh my. Tito June, how much does it cost these crabs?
Oh no, money is no problem.
No, I know, but I want to know how much they cost.
No problem.
Hindi sasabihin niya.
Yeah. How much do these cost, these crabs?
Those crabs,
Yeah.
no problem.
Keep it a secret. But these are fresh, right? They catch these?
Yeah.
Yes, those are alive.
Alive.
Wow. What kind of peppers are these?
Yun nga eh.
Banana.
Oh, banana peppers. Oh, I see.
Then you put some rice wine.
Ah, rice wine. Here you go. I noticed you have some Philippine lime.
Calamansi.
Calamansi.
Yeah.
All right.
We have some calamansi there.
You grabbed those from your own yard? Okay, so we got some banana peppers. These are really long banana peppers. And we got the Philippine lime. They call it calamansi. So you're taking out the seeds, Tito?
Yes, so that it will not be very hot.
Ah, so not too spicy. So why don't you like to cook this inside? Oh, smells too much.
Smells too much.
Yeah.
And it will cause heat.
Oh, it heats up the house.
Yeah.
Okay, that makes sense. Because I don't mind the smell. But the heat in the house is definitely not good. So yeah, this is the dirty kitchen. So I noticed you already added some oyster sauce. So this is a pretty quick cooking, right?
Yeah.
Like within maybe 30 minutes already done. Oh, what's this? You also bought some mussels?
Yes, mussels.
That's the muscle of the Philippines.
It's bigger than the one we have at home. How are you gonna cook this one? Differently?
No, steam only.
So this and the prawns you're gonna steam?
Yes,
Ah.
but different.
Different one. Oh wow, look at this guys. We got the leeks on hand. So I noticed there's more liquid in there now. Did you add something?
Oh, water.
Oh, water. Okay. Can you eat a lot of this?
Yes.
Normally you can only eat one.
One?
What?
Yeah, because I get kind of dizzy.
No, you only eat once a month. It's okay to eat more.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Well, the problem is I'm eating it every weekend, so.
You've been here 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Yeah, 2 weeks, so you can eat more.
Oh, you add shrimp
One.
sometimes?
Oh, if you want.
Now I know what my mom said. She's in the Philippines we don't use crab paste. It's because we use females.
Oh.
These are the biggest prawns I've ever seen. Wow.
Kanina pa yan, tumatamot pa, buhay pa.
Oh, so these are also fresh.
Yeah.
I like that everything in the Philippines you can buy the seafoods fresh from the
yes.
market. So we have this, and then you have the mussel, and then you have the crab. What are you gonna eat with those? Always with rice, right?
Always in rice.
You know, I learned the term in the Philippines. UNLI-RICE.
Rice.
It's a term of unlimited rice.
You are. Only rice. You are.
Then you add the pepper, right?
The pepper.
Yeah, yeah. People love rice in the Philippines. Rice is life in the Philippines. Even my children that's Canadian born, they love rice. Rice is life. Leeks. I should do that next time. 'Cause I never add leeks to the ones I make at home. Sesame oil, guys. Madame Chef, she said optional. It is what? It's for my documentation, for my own. Not. I noticed your guys' sugar is not white sugar. What is it, like brown sugar?
Yeah, brown sugar.
For blending the flavors and makes it a little bit thicker. I guess sugar, you caramelize the sugar slightly. And then we got the banana peppers.
Okay lang sa inyo to?
Oh yeah,
Or
we're
I will
okay.
not put all.
Okay. I think you're supposed to say sana all.
Sana all. Kasi maanghang. Oh,
Oh,
mo.
taste it, taste it.
Pretty good.
Pretty good?
Good.
I think you need some more oyster sauce.
Ito eh.
There you go, there you go. Oyster sauce in the middle! Wow. The temperature is climbing up. That's good that we're doing it outside. She says it's done, so that's what it looks like. So that doesn't take like maybe only 20 minutes.
Oo.
Wow, okay.
Madali lang siya.
You don't get much bigger than that. Eh?
Ah, wala. If the shrimp turns to orange.
Oh, there's
then-
no water? No nothing?
No, no water.
Oh.
Salt.
Oh, I see. That's all? Just
Then
salt?
then you mix it.
You know what? They're pretty fat though. Looks like they're full of fat. So that one's almost done too. Wow, look at the bright orange. I noticed also just seafood in general doesn't need much ingredients. 2 tablespoons. I think we're gonna fall asleep after we eat all this. There's a little bit of liquid that came out.
Oo.
But it didn't lose much in size. Still pretty big.
Oo.
Wow. Compliments to the chef. Guys, I'm sweating. I'm sweating hard. What are you planning to do with this one? Steam?
Steve.
And we got a full crab also on the steam. Ouch, it's hot. All right guys, I'm boiling hot. The dirty kitchen is at full go and I have to take breaks inside the house because it's so hot. I'm already down to my undershirt. With seafood, I find it needs to be minimalistic with the ingredients because the freshness already has a flavor in it. I think this one is ready. I can't believe you saved me just for me.
Yeah, not yet, not yet.
Wow, that's hot. I'm so hot I had to take off my shirt and I take breaks inside. In here, did you put anything or just
Yeah, garlic
garlic? Oh, okay.
and banana.
Banana peppers?
Yes.
Ah, alright. I think we're gonna have a food coma
Yeah.
when we're done. God, it's hot. I think it's like 35 degrees right now. But in this area, it feels like it's 40 degrees. So how do you know it's cooked? If the shells are open?
Yeah. And this one. Not yet.
Oh, the fat. Yeah, I think seafood is really good here, eh?
It's
always fresh, never
Yeah.
frozen.
Yes.
Wow.
Never frozen.
Guys, I'm sunburnt. I'm sweating. Check out my hat. Let's give it a try. Okay, so this is a steamed mud crab. I noticed you put a hole in here.
Yeah. So that I can kill it.
Oh, so that's to kill the crab before you cook it.
Because if I will not kill it, they will like that me.
Oh, they'll pinch your hands?
Yeah.
Compared to Dungeness crab, this is a really tough shell. This is the forbidden fruit from Canada.
Yeah.
Female crab. The Dungeness, I can just bite it with my teeth
Yeah.
and it cracks. This one, I think I need a...
No.
No? You have to use
Need
a cracker.
Cracker.
What should I not eat in here?
You should, no, don't eat that.
So this is the gills, right?
Yeah, don't eat that.
So definitely don't eat this. Okay. I'm also excited to try this one because
Yeah.
this is
Jumbo prawns.
9 inches, guys. Maybe more. Okay. Maybe I should start with this. Okay. I notice also Filipinos like to suck on this head.
But don't.
Don't. Deadly. Wow. So what sauce do you like to use?
Cane vinegar.
Which one?
Cane vinegar.
Clean vinegar?
Cane. Sugar cane vinegar.
Oh, cane vinegar.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's organic too, right?
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, Philippines has lots of different types of vinegars. We're gonna do kind of a mukbang. So I must dip it in the cane vinegar. So where is this vinegar from? Did you make this yourself?
From Ilocos.
From Ilocos.
Yeah.
Where is it at in the Philippines?
Ilocos Sur.
Ilocos
Santa
Sur.
Maria, Ilocos Sur.
Sur is south,
Yeah.
right? South Ilocos.
Yeah. Ilocos Norte is north.
All right, here we go. Vinegar, cane vinegar. Oh my God,
Good.
it's juicy and it's tender. I think I must do what the Filipinos do. UNLI-RICE. You must eat with your hands as well, I was told.
No.
Okay.
You can eat this with spoon and fork.
You cannot?
You cannot.
So now, what about all this brown stuff?
Yeah.
That's no good? Do you,
Yeah. Just.
you don't eat that, right?
Yeah, you don't eat that.
Okay, but you eat the orange stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So how come you cook it with the shell on? So you don't lose the flavor?
Yeah.
So mud crabs, how do they catch it?
By net.
By net?
Or when it's low tide.
Oh, so they're hiding inside the... Oh, I see.
Rocks, so mud,
Oh, I see.
sand.
So let's get the roe. Wow, what a treat. Tito Jun seems to know what I like.
Because I saw in Canada, you like
Crab?
crabbing, prawning,
Okay,
fishing.
Okay, we're gonna try this one. Literally, all crab roe. Okay, by itself. Okay, so what's the best? You mix it in the rice? Of course, we gotta complement it with some San-Mig Light.
Oh my God.
Okay.
This is good.
So vinegar
Yeah.
with some rice, right there, and some crab roe.
That's the good life.
Oh my God!
Yeah.
And then mix it up with some of this.
Yeah. You know, this is LA's favorite.
Yeah.
Yeah. When he's here, I always order this one.
They had to add this too. Mussels.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Boom.
So remove that.
These are okay. So you remove some of this algae right there. Have you guys ever used
man.
this as a spoon?
This is good, man. This is good.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
So let's
It's
go
juicy. It's tender.
right there.
It's fresh.
You know what, guys?
Oh my God.
I'm starting to believe what they say. It's more fun in the Philippines. I gotta discipline myself. It feels like I'm eating all the time in the Philippines. I'm operating at a higher temperature, so my metabolism is burning calories all the time. Tito Jude, I cannot eat half this. Let's share it.
Okay.
Another bite of the prawn. Delicious. Okay, so why don't we try this one here? So the leeks. You know, I never tried leek before.
It's good.
It's almost like a big green onion. You know what's important? This sauce. So we have to get this sauce, guys. That's what I forgot to do. We take this sauce and you put it on the UNLI-RICE.
Oh man, this is good, man.
Okay, we're gonna try this one now. You see this, guys? The roe doesn't come out. It stays inside. Oh my. Now you have to eat with your hands because how are you gonna get the... How are you gonna get the roe inside?
And the meat.
And the meat. So let's try the crab adobo. Boom. Look at that. Via mud crabs. So let's take out the gill rakers here. I need to expose the shell. Oh my God. You know, this is kind of like drinking, you know. You should not drive after you eat this crab. Just dip it in the cane vinegar. Right there, guys. We got the claws. Yeah, the shell is a lot tougher. So, buying crabs, everybody buys all their stuff in the morning, hey?
Yeah.
Why is that? Why not buy it in the afternoon?
Wala ka na mabibili.
They're all gone by
They're
then?
gone, yeah.
Oh, okay. This is not frozen seafood. This is fresh, alive.
You don't have like this.
No?
Oh yes, yes, I know because it's forbidden.
Oh, yeah, for sure. But
It's forbidden.
mud crabs, I don't see any mud crabs in the store.
Oh, okay. What do you call that when we go crabbing with the one we catch?
Dungeness. Dungeness crab.
Oh, okay.
And red rock crab.
Okay.
So yeah, this has the shell like a red rock. It's like tough. And look at the arms, guys. Significantly smaller. And I noticed they have this fin here. This like a swimming fin. The Dungeness crab does not have this. Dip it in the vinegar. I don't think it matters where you go, guys. Crab is always good. Delicious.
We have like this in the Philippines, but we don't have steak.
You don't have steak?
We don't.
You probably do. It's just expensive.
No,
No.
no, the local steak, no,
No?
no.
What do they do with
Beef
it?
here are very tough.
Tough.
Yeah,
So it's not good for steaks?
No.
Oh, interesting. Okay, guys, I'm gonna have to keep this going because I think I'm gonna expire the batteries because I'm gonna eat for a little while. Okay, if you guys like this episode, please do like, share, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think about the authentic way to eat the seafoods in the Philippines. See you guys on the next video.